Lufu irwam matino tino ikumalame Uganda unogi jenge ikum kot maporo kirio mepieto kodi chama meggi mapol kare ri iporo dwe maromo abichiel unyo makaro wego teki. Poro kod mia achiel madano chako kedi kiketo kodi cham pol kare chake I dwe mia adek unyo ya chaki dwe mia ang'wen. Kidong pieto cham mia ario time ikiporo kod machake I dwe mia abiro ki aboro mwaka ki mwaka machwe niowa I dwe mia apawi ario. Ento ikare ni pe mwaka madong maroma adek chari I ang'wen lufu magitie I district Megulu Agago Lamwo pade Kitgum kachel ki Lira ki kaber morumo wigi tika chame matek tutwal ikid me yero kodi magiromo pietone machiro aloga me piny ite kare ni. Igombola me awach kachel ki palaro Igulu district dok ori maromo mia rio kiwiye matiye ki dano aliba chel kiwiye gurwenyu chama meggi iporo malupe ki pong paping ki aloga. Mego Joyce a uma matiye ki mwaka piera bichel wi achel dak tie nyoli mi mede Paris unywa kwetwa ngo ki kume maoti me kume.
At en na cher ka lien ma abian no buje ge ywa ge ti o mer rok di en ko por ye ti ma dir ma aberi ge en yana na lu ka kelo an we pin weng no pi ma ka wa te ko miar wa ker ge na ko en wa te ri te ker ma pe ope choy bel ge dak pe ra to twal nyim pe wa kwan en gi kwana en pe wa kwan ma ka rio wan ma mier long wa chak cham ne ma ka chel ria ne wa chak cham ne ni dok mele ron
lufu wajo ni kagi pero muchiele iporo maromo eka achiel giberu ki kare me kwanyo gi cha maromo piera rio kao chiak mabe joj kidega tie lafu achiel ma aloga ping uyelo gi ki imede bene
luoga mu biene ma mo karo utwo dog dano utima chalo gena kot no pe che kar mo beru dwe chiel e tu chwe ma paw yue beno tor wan lupuda tora yang chon chane por me nyen kuma eri no akwanyo eka chiel eni no akwanyo gutia apawi ang'wen eni paw chiek pa akwanyo gimo
en kichan man malit tutwal ma otime ikine mwaka adek ang'wen ma okaro ang'ech ma oweko dano makaro aliwa chiel guneno chan I aluga kipong paping Igulu district Ipalaro lutela tie ma wigi ochung
duoro tie wera gere romo bien ro en kire mwaka karne unyo romo alaga atwer be tie ti do mier dano tim wo yup odi pupu pede romo kon mana gen mo tikere no
Agago district ikaber makilwoni adilang sub-county iomugo kaka matongo yen ober matek yecha kay mwaka libario kapawi achel lufu kumkare ni pe mwaka maroma dek pe yago ber kikero me piato kori moke ken iporo malupe kiliero kicheng matek
kai nero bene kanye dong pebe no poro mo madano gupuro tiane mwaka mo karo chamo beru pe ching beru karien matek pero miliero peng tie wego dong dano chuo ku dikku chi do chere ton yen e dong kake wame maka ene dong konyo minungu gena chama ma wego kayini no yo e pajo mo ke ken kan oli no gutia maromo abichiel mi chero malo piane ne dong der pe bi neno chamo matie
karibed ni meno ni kotika poro lufu futie ma wigo chung ikiet ma miera gi ye kere kori maromo chiek karibed aloga ping tie.
They were not used to plant this crop of streamer. They were only used to plant rice, which can even take 6 months, sorghum, cassava. Now there is nothing you can even find after 1 year, like money in the house of a farmer which can pay with the school fees.
Ikum jami dujo man tika time malupe ki aloga paping inoni pol lufu bene pegiti kit ngech mo kiken ikum ngo matika kelo pero men
me kan ke kar mi or ke en dan burwa ko bor wa kan liero ben tier wera geru la ka pen jam chon no duwe ma kit en liero pe be level le en
ke ba ke pi kare ye no pere mi la geng maka yam gi ken mala wo bien ka eni kala ten yam cha pat don wata mi gwak la geng yam ni pere di penya dong nyo da ngo makan en du weng wi dong ti ka ren ye
Ludiero tika timo kwet me konyo kolufu ki ingeta zadi matie Lira City.
Northern Uganda is more vulnerable to drought, to prolonged drought. It takes long. You can see now the whole place is dry. We have been doing research, and we can avoid this climate change effects in many ways. One is, as you have said yourself, identifying varieties which are tolerant to drought. And I said cassava, now CAS1, now CAS2. Actually, most cassava varieties, all of them are drought tolerant. Other climate smart culture technology is just growing crops which mature very early, like soybean, like beans. They can grow quickly and escape drought. And that goes hand in hand with planning. You plan early, prepare your land early, and when the little rain comes, you plant. By the time drought comes, your crops will have matured, or will have gone beyond the state of being affected by climate change. That's one. Secondly, we can also do that by integrating soil water conservation, including mulching, including use of cover crops.
Ngokono magamente tie kimiri mitimune unyo katimune mikonyo lufu.
I'm a leader here in Acholi subregion. The challenge we have is that when it is dry season, even right now, you find all the grass is put to burn for hunting the edible rat, anyiri. It has consequences. We have already tampered with the productivity of our soils. In Acholi subregion, we want to plant more trees. We want Acholi subregion to plant trees that can turn out to be a cash crop, like cashew nut, macadamia, avocado. So once the tree, like a mango now here, it is grown, you're already harvesting. We are going to turn this mindset into cash crop growing area. And deliberately, from my ministry, we want Acholi subregion to start planting cashew nut, macadamia, avocado. We want to target after 5 years. It must be green, but with a cash crop, which not going to be cut.
Mietani dano magitie dokti mapat pagamente kijo mateno kwot kedgi will kero metigi malo me konyo lufu irwa matiano tiano me loko tamgi metij kidir manyen ikareman pelora ngeya makwaro fu kachiel kia lora ping ikomalo me Uganda ante vitu kema Ilwanluo TV.